Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. macOS up to date and enough disk space because updates need room to install. Once done, close Outlook and save drafts so nothing is lost. Have your account password ready. Now open the App Store or launch Microsoft Auto Update from Applications or Help menu. That is where the upgrade begins. You choose the update method because App Store and MAU behave slightly differently. Pick the one matching how Outlook was installed. You click Update and watch the download begin. This can take minutes depending on connection, so be patient. Once the installer runs, let it complete, do not force quit, and avoid heavy CPU tasks to prevent slowdowns. If prompted, enter your admin password and grant permission for kernel extensions or accessibility access, because these rights let Outlook integrate properly. When installation finishes, the app may relaunch. Test accounts quickly to verify mail, calendar, and search respond correctly. You finish by restarting your Mac to ensure new components load, which often fixes residual problems. If mailboxes fail to sync or search is broken, rebuild the mailbox or clear Outlook cache to force reindexing. That repairs corrupted local data. If issues persist, run Microsoft Auto Update again, then consider reinstalling Outlook because a fresh install replaces broken files. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back into your Microsoft account.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.